If Lightroom is showing an error message and you can't get into your project, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes for Lightroom Classic, starting with the most effective method first. This is a simple step-by-step guide that can help you get Lightroom working again without wasting time. If this helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's start with the most common fix: resetting your Lightroom preferences. First, close Lightroom completely, then hold Alt and Shift on your keyboard while you open Lightroom again. Keep holding the keys until you see the Reset Preferences option. Click Reset Preferences and let Lightroom restart. This often clears out corrupted settings that cause startup errors, crashes, or strange behavior. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is restarting your computer and running Lightroom as an administrator. Restarting can clear temporary system issues, and running as admin gives Lightroom the permissions it may need to open correctly. To do that, right-click Lightroom and choose Run as Administrator. Then check if the error message is gone. If Lightroom still will not open properly, the issue may be with your catalog. Try opening your .lrcat file manually. If the catalog itself is damaged, Lightroom may throw an error message every time it loads. In that case, try opening a backup catalog if you have one, or create a new catalog and see if Lightroom works there. This helps you determine whether the problem is with the app or the catalog file. Another fix that works for a lot of people is disabling the GPU. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Performance tab. Find the Use GPU option and turn it off. After that, restart Lightroom. Sometimes graphics acceleration causes loading problems, display glitches, or error messages, especially after updates or driver changes. If you're still having trouble, go back into Preferences under Performance and clear the cache. Click Purge Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing conflicts. A corrupted cache can sometimes stop Lightroom from launching correctly or make it freeze during startup. At this point, it's also a good idea to update both Lightroom and Creative Cloud. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues, and updating often fixes bugs that trigger error messages. If none of those steps work, the final option is to reinstall Lightroom. This should only be used as a last resort, but it can fix deeper file or installation problems. Uninstall Lightroom, restart your computer, then install it again through Creative Cloud. So to quickly recap: reset preferences, restart and run as administrator, check your catalog, disable GPU, clear cache, update everything, and reinstall only if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the Lightroom error message fast. If this guide helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.